Republicans are bemoaning Dr. Anthony Fauci's testimony to Congress this week, saying it uncovered drastic failures. Fauci told Congress that the 6-foot social distancing rule was likely not based on any data, and he also said he couldn't point to any specific source for that recommendation. Earlier, we spoke with the author of Liberty or Lockdown, Jeffrey Tucker, for his analysis. Tucker is also founder and president of the Brownstone Institute. Considering people's reliance on scientists during the whole pandemic, what kind of effect do you think this admission could have on people's sense of trust in the established scientific and health authorities?
What's a little strange about Fauci's answer is that, first of all, it's one of the few questions he actually answered with something other than "I don't recall," in which he said 100 times to every other question. But when it came to social distancing, he said it just sort of came out of nowhere. So he didn't have any information whatsoever, which is fascinating. And interestingly, we've known this for about 3 years. The New York Times in March of 2021 wrote an article that said essentially the same thing. They did some research, called up CDC, called up various scientists, and nobody could affirm that the 6 feet of distance thing made any difference. The purpose of these CCP controls, both in 2003 and 2004 and in 2020, was not really infection disease mitigation. It was just a political ploy to gain more power over the people and intimidate them with shock and awe.